Black onyx is a powerful stone that holds deep spiritual meaning and significance in various cultures and traditions. Known for its striking appearance, black onyx has been revered for its protective and grounding qualities. This stone has been used for centuries as a symbol of strength, resilience, and inner power. When exploring the spiritual meaning of black onyx, we uncover layers of wisdom that touch upon personal transformation, emotional stability, and spiritual protection. Black onyx is often associated with the root chakra, the energy center that grounds us and connects us to the earth. It provides a stabilizing energy that helps us stay grounded in the present moment, even during times of uncertainty or chaos. This grounding effect is essential for maintaining balance in both our physical and spiritual lives. In times of emotional or spiritual upheaval, black onyx acts as a source of support, allowing us to stay calm and centered amidst life's challenges. In many spiritual traditions, black onyx is considered a stone of protection. Its deep, dark hue is believed to absorb and deflect negative energies, creating a shield around the person who wears or carries it. For this reason, black onyx has been used in protective amulets and talismans across different cultures. Spiritually, this stone serves as a guardian that safeguards against external negative forces, psychic attacks, and harmful intentions from others. It is also believed to offer protection during spiritual journeys or when engaging in deep meditation, helping to create a safe space for exploration and inner discovery. Black onyx's protective qualities also extend to emotional protection. It helps in setting boundaries, protecting one's emotional well-being, and preventing the draining of energy by toxic individuals or situations. If you're dealing with someone who drains your energy, or if you're in a situation where you feel vulnerable, black onyx can serve as an energetic buffer, allowing you to protect your emotional reserves while maintaining inner strength. One of the most significant spiritual meanings of black onyx revolves around the concept of self-mastery and personal growth. Black onyx is often associated with inner strength and the ability to overcome obstacles. It is said to enhance discipline, focus, and the determination needed to pursue one's goals. In this sense, the stone acts as a reminder that true power comes from within and that we have the ability to shape our own destiny through hard work, perseverance, and dedication. On a spiritual level, black onyx encourages us to take responsibility for our actions and to recognize that we are the creators of our own reality. This can be especially empowering when we feel stuck or disempowered in our lives. Black onyx serves as a tool for reflection, allowing us to see where we might be holding ourselves back and where we need to make changes in order to move forward. This stone teaches us the importance of persistence and resilience, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Another spiritual meaning of black onyx is related to emotional healing and release. Many believe that black onyx helps us release negative emotions, such as fear, anger, and grief, which may be holding us back from living our fullest lives. By working with black onyx, we can confront and process these emotions in a safe and supportive way. The stone's grounding energy provides the stability needed to face difficult feelings without becoming overwhelmed by them. It encourages emotional balance, allowing us to navigate our emotions with clarity and understanding rather than being swept away by them. Spiritually, black onyx helps in clearing emotional blockages, making space for healing and renewal. When we release negative emotions, we open ourselves up to higher levels of consciousness and spiritual growth. Black onyx reminds us that healing is a process and that letting go of emotional baggage is essential for personal transformation. Through this process of release, we create space for positive energies, new opportunities, and greater emotional resilience. Black onyx is also a stone that encourages introspection and self-awareness. Its deep black color symbolizes the mystery of the unknown and the hidden aspects of the self. Spiritually, working with black onyx invites us to explore the deeper layers of our consciousness and to confront the parts of ourselves that we might be avoiding or suppressing. This introspective journey can lead to greater self-awareness and a deeper understanding of our true nature. The stone serves as a mirror, reflecting back to us the aspects of ourselves that we need to acknowledge, heal, and integrate. Through this process, black onyx helps us become more aligned with our authentic selves and more in tune with our higher purpose. In addition to promoting self-awareness, black onyx also encourages mental clarity and focus. Spiritually, it helps to quiet the mind, allowing us to tune into our intuition and inner wisdom. By calming the mental chatter, black onyx makes space for deeper insights and spiritual revelations to emerge. This can be particularly useful during meditation or when engaging in spiritual practices that require concentration and inner stillness. The stone's grounding energy keeps us anchored, while its clarity-enhancing properties allow us to tap into higher states of consciousness. This balance between grounding and spiritual elevation makes Black Onyx an ideal stone for those seeking to deepen their spiritual practice. Black Onyx is also associated with the energy of transformation. Just as the stone itself is formed through the cooling and solidification of volcanic lava, Black Onyx symbolizes the process of transformation through pressure and heat. Spiritually, this stone reminds us that personal growth often requires us to move through challenging or uncomfortable experiences in order to emerge stronger and more refined. The spiritual journey is not always easy, and Black Onyx serves as a companion during times of transformation, offering strength and support as we navigate the complexities of growth and change. The stone encourages us to trust in the process of transformation and to have faith that even the most difficult experiences can lead to greater wisdom and spiritual evolution. In some traditions, Black Onyx is also associated with the energy of past lives and karmic healing. It is believed that Black Onyx can help us access information from past lives, allowing us to understand and heal unresolved karmic patterns that may be influencing our present reality. Spiritually, Black Onyx serves as a bridge between the past and the present, helping us gain insights into the lessons we are here to learn in this lifetime. By working with Black Onyx, we can release karmic debts, clear past life trauma, and align more fully with our soul's purpose. This deeper understanding of our soul's journey can lead to greater peace, clarity, and spiritual fulfillment. In conclusion, Black Onyx holds a wealth of spiritual meanings, from grounding and protection to transformation and personal growth. Its powerful energy encourages us to stay connected to the earth while exploring the depths of our own consciousness. Whether you're seeking protection, emotional healing, or deeper spiritual awareness, Black Onyx can serve as a powerful ally on your spiritual journey. This stone invites you to embrace your inner strength, to release what no longer serves you, and to step into your true power with confidence and clarity. Thank you for watching Cool Astro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on spiritual meanings and cosmic wisdom. Be sure to check out our other videos for more in-depth explorations of the spiritual meanings behind stones, animals, and natural phenomena. Stay tuned for more spiritual insights and guidance. See you in the next video.